Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today we will show you guys where to find the fuse for the fuel injectors on Hyundai Sonata. If your car doesn't start, you have problems with fuel injectors, not spraying fuel, always check this fuse, guys, because some of the engines will have direct fuel injections like we have right here, and it's very important, guys. So if that doesn't fix the problem, we'll have a video how to replace fuel injectors as well. This should, guys, work on this generation Hyundai Sonata from year 2009 to year 2015. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, cheap fuses, guys, we're going to share the link in the description of the video below where you can get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our parts from. Another thing, guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, what's the plan, guys? To make at least 200, guys, free electrical and diagnostic videos that will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, Electrical Car Repair Live, and we will have more than 300, guys, mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, the whole car apart, and we will show you how to fix pretty much anything. All that will be posted on our main YouTube channel. Okay, it's called How to Repair, guys, right here, guys. We have helped more than 100 million people, so let's go ahead and start on it now. So if you look at it, guys, okay, right here now, fuel injectors, it's direct fuel injection. Okay, let's just remove that cap so I can show you something here quick. Okay, it gets stuck, but you have the direct fuel injection pump right here. The line comes down there and the direct fuel injection is under the intake manifold. So if you guys look at that fuse box, you have one tab here, one there, squish, pull straight up, and you can open that fuse box. On the inside you have the fuses, guys. That pattern right here, when you hold it that way, actually corresponds to what we have specifically right here. And the fuse, guys, okay, that we need to find actually is, guys, an injector fuse. It's known as injectors. Okay, let me just focus here because I have a hard time with a little bit of reflection. Okay, it's this fuse, 15M fuse number 4. So if you come from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's this 15M fuse. Get the fuse puller, get on top of the fuse and replace it, guys. Okay, perfect. Now at that point, guys, it's always good, okay, never assume looking at the fuse that it's good. Okay, always test them. It takes only a few seconds. We have a special video that explains how to test, guys, a fuse and know for sure if it's good or bad, because if you think it's a good fuse, you put it in, actually it's a bad fuse, you start spending more time, money to fix your car, guys, it's not worth it. Always check them, it takes a few seconds, or replace them. If you need to buy new fuses for a really good price, we'll share the link in the description of the video below. If you're on the road and that happens, you have actually some spare fuses that you can use right here. All these are spare fuses as well. So if that doesn't fix the problem with your fuel injectors or not getting fuel, it could be a high pressure fuel pump, it could be a bad switch for the fuel pressure. All that, guys, we'll have videos on the channel how to test, how to replace each one of those components. And if you want to see a specific video about this car, just let us know and we'll be more than glad to make that video for you and try to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching, please subscribe and see you next time.